In this quick Yahoo Mail tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change to the newest versions of Yahoo Mail. Currently, Yahoo Mail have 3 available versions to the public: the basic mail, this is the oldest, the classic view, and the newest Yahoo Mail. And if you want to switch between them, you have to get through all of them. You can get to specific versions without moving through all of them. So that being said, let's start now with the basic mail, and I will show you how to get to the newest. So here in basic mail, we have to press on try the new Yahoo Mail in the top right, and this will get us to the classic view of Yahoo Mail. And now if we want to get to the newest available versions of Yahoo Mail, the newest Yahoo Mail, we have to press on try the new Yahoo Mail again in the top right, and this will get us to the newest Yahoo Mail right now. If you want to switch back, you can do it at any time currently. So you have to go on more, press on more in the bottom left, and now select settings. Now select switch to old Yahoo Mail at the bottom, and this will get us to the classic view of Yahoo Mail. And now to get to the basic mail, the oldest available version, we have to press on settings in the top right. Now select more settings here, and now in the left side in this menu we have to select switch to basic mail. This will get us to basic mail, which is the oldest available version of Yahoo Mail. You can't get to any older version other than this. Okay, so that's how to switch to the newest and to the oldest Yahoo Mail versions. I hope this guide helped you on how to switch to the newest Yahoo Mail and how to switch to the oldest Yahoo Mail.